What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pauly'C with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, coming at you with another action-packed carpet cleaning video. This is a $1.8 million home with a $10 million view. You'll see that here momentarily in the video. And this video has been sped up this portion 2 times normal speed to spare you watching me do my methodical method. Forwards, sideways, oh yeah, cleaning like a champ. So, without further ado, I'll be back with you momentarily. Enjoy watching a master cleaner at work. That's right, gotta love it. Give me a thumbs up if you haven't already subscribed. Boom! It's free today, absolutely free. Doesn't cost a dime to subscribe. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit the subscribe button and you'll see more content coming every day from your boy. What did I say? Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. Look at that beachfront property. They got a beautiful sailboat, actually 2 of them out there on the water. Oh yeah. Here we go. Sideways, forward, forward, sideways, sideways, forward, forward, sideways. Oh, God, you guys know I'm just playing with you today. I'm having a great time. I've got a few jobs on the books today. It's going to get really hot. I think tomorrow we're up in the 90s. We always have humidity up here in the great Pacific Northwest, which means you're going to sweat like the dickens. And yes, it happens. So make sure you hydrate. I know I will be hydrating. There you go. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Do you want me to lock the door? Okay.
And I will be showing you the pad that I'm using, the chemicals that I'm using, and I am using a little mini disc, a CD, not a full-size DVD or CD. It's one of those mini CDs, about 2 inches wide. And I put a little Velcro on that, and I put that down as a CD glider. I think the original person that I got that from was that guy, the Carpet TV Muscle, or something like that. Anyway, I know he uses a glider. I've seen Robin at OxyDry use a glider, and this is the first time I've used one. And it is working amazing. Here's the dirty pad. Hard to tell, there's some really good lighting here in the hallway, but it is absorbing the soil. That's a clean one. And the one underneath, I'll show you the pad. These are Glad pads, basically called Gladiator pads. There's the little mini CD. I tried the bigger one, but I think it took up too much real estate on the pad, so I wasn't getting as much soil removal. And you can see that did the job. Here is the mini CD. I think I got this on eBay, just the disc, for $2. And then you put the non-painted side down. And you can see when you put it against the pad driver, you still got a lot of real estate there on the pad driver for cleaning. And if you get the bigger disc, it just kind of takes that away. It diminishes how much you can actually get absorption on the pad. So there you go. That's my trick of the day. Not my trick. Give it to the muscle guy. That's his trick. Look at that. Looking like a pro. I'm going to pack up my stuff, and I've got to get not my grande groomer. Got to get my triangle brush and put down some triangles in here. And I also did this other room that steps down 2 little stairs. And we did have some doggy poo-poo, which was picked up right away and cleaned. The maids were here right before I got here, so they pre-vacuumed everything, which really is helpful. So it's a well-maintained home and carpet. Where's my little van? Oh, he's out there somewhere. There it is. Yeah, that's right. That's the NV200. Man, that thing works great for VLM. Backed it right up so I could pull everything right in through the front door. And I will, even though I didn't do these hallways since I walked on them, I'm going to groom them so they look nice when she comes back. She was here when I arrived and then left. So there you go. Let me show you what we used today. You too can use the same products I use if you choose to. Look at that nice home. Oh my gosh. What a beauty. You don't have to use the same products as me, but a lot of people always ask. I always put a description or a link in the description of what I'm using. So this is Odor Death. It is a stabilized ClO2. This is that simple end cap. And I'm using distilled water, which was steam distillation process, so it's pure water. Works great for encapsulation because you don't have minerals and iron deposits in the water. This kills all the odors and the feces that may have been in the carpet. There's that little disc glider, enjoying that. All right, look at that triangle brush, just going to town, even on Pauly'C carpet. It's banging out those beautiful aesthetic triangles that everyone associates with clean or just freshly vacuumed. That's the hallway. That's the other room back there. I turned the lights off already in there, but that one came out beautiful as well. You can have a look at this. This was the one where most of the dog poo was. There was a little odor, but it's completely gone. So there you go. Can't see that view. There's my $1 million view. That's right. Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, banging out another beautiful job. I'll see you guys in the next one.